Hi everyone, it's Kheyali and you are welcome to my art channel Knowledge and Beauty. Guys, today I will share with you my first ever canvas drawing with my experience. Actually, it's very satisfying process when you are coloring on a canvas using fabric color. It's like buttery soft and very much smooth stroke you can create, which is not possible for watercolor. But you can control your brushes that much good what you can do for your watercolor. So guys, without any wasting of time, let's get started. You want to purchase this art, then you can just DM to my Instagram and the link will be in the description box. Actually, the thing is, I have opened this canvas maybe 10 days ago, and just for my messy room it has taken some spot on it, but still we can paint them easily. Okay, so I have taken my canvas, brushes, some paints, watercolor, ruler, pencils and color palette. So first of all, I am going to border it as I don't have any washi tape. And as you can see here, I have already outlined the flower shape. Now no need to draw anything. I will just splash some color on the canvas. And do you want to know the reason behind why I didn't show you the outline part? Because you are not interested with long videos. Okay, so now my favorite steps comes. I will take brushes and I will color the canvas. So now the thing is, which color I have to take. So guys, here I am thinking to put pink color, but I don't have pink color. I have red and white. I will mix them. See, here I have taken red color and white color like 1:1 proportion, and I am mixing it with a thick brush, and in between I have added some water, like a few drops of water I have added in this color for this mixing part. Okay, so now I need some white color to so to make the perfect pink color, I need to add some more white color, and here I have added, and also I am adding few drops of water again. Now when I will mix it well, the color will be ready to paint. Whenever this color will be ready to paint, I will paint on the canvas. So now it's time to paint the canvas, and trust me guys, it was very much amazing. Like when I was giving the strokes in the border side, the strokes was like buttery soft, and it will give you a satisfying feeling. And also like this border part and the coloring section will be done very soon, because here I have taken the thick brush, so it will not take that much time. So you have to make sure that you are coloring only in between the border, not outside of that border, as I am not here using the washi tape. Okay, so I need to be very much careful when I am coloring the border side, because it's the main part of coloring, that you are not coloring the outside part of the border. So okay, now in these parts also I will color. I have to fill all over only, don't need to fill on the flower or outside the border. After that I have to fill all. Okay, so here like all it's done. Okay, now see the color of the water after washing the brushes by using water. The water will also like pinkish. Okay, because I have washed the brushes by using this water. So now it's time to paint the small flowers what I have already outlined. Okay, so guys, first of all I'm taking some light pink for the center of every flower, and then I'm giving the white color to create a shade of it. And like that, for every flower we need to paint. And to paint the flowers I'm using 000 brush, which is the most thin brush I have. After coloring the flowers, now we need to color on the stem part. Okay, so I have used pink and white color to color these flowers. After coloring these flowers, I will color the stem part. Okay, so for the painting of the stem you need some green color and yellow color. First of all, I am giving deep green color to the left side of every stem, and then I am mixing some yellow color with green, and I will add them in the middle portion of the stem. And after that I need to put some yellow color on the right side of the stem and the leaves. The leaves detailing I missed to capture in this video. Okay guys, so here I have completed my drawing and painting, and now it's time to give some message to you guys. So here the message is love each other. Here I will made one calligraphy to write this with brushes, and for that I have used white fabric color. The message we want to give people like love each other, do not spread hatred, and try to find peace. I have done the calligraphy also, and this is the final look. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you even found this art beautiful, I request you to please like this video, do comment below, and if you feel you want to watch more videos, then please do subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon so that you can get every notification of the new videos. And if anyone want to purchase this picture, then you can go to my Instagram handle and just DM me, and the link will be in the description box. See you on the next Saturday. Please wear mask, use sanitizer, and stay at home. Take care guys. Thank you. Bye bye.